Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here with another planner related video. And in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, you see it, Notiq. This is a Notiq unboxing. And before I get into all of the good, I do want to welcome back all of my subscribers. Thank you for continuing to support me and hang around and always give me words of encouragement. And to my new subbies, if this is your first time, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And as well, do me a favor, drop me a purple heart in the comments box so that I know that you are new. If you can't find the purple heart, just say, hey, I'm new, because I love to give you all a shout out. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So like I said, as you can see, this is a Notiq. And before y'all start throwing stones, coming in my, messages talking about, oh, here we go with another bandwagoner. Hey, listen, when you see something good and you see it's got good quality and you see that it is a Black-owned business by a female entrepreneur, you're going to support it, especially if they have amazing customer service, they have an amazing product. Why wouldn't you? And this particular planner that I got, it's really special to me, and I'm going to tell you all about that. You guys know that I name my planners, so this video may be a little bit lengthy, but I'm excited about what's inside. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up because, like I said, I haven't seen this. The only thing that I know about this planner is what I saw on her website and what I saw on social media. So let's go ahead and get to opening. All right, you guys, so I have gotten the box open. Let's go ahead and flip it around. Let me move some of my stuff out the way that I got for little cute props. So let's talk about the packaging. It's immaculate. And I'm already thinking what I'm going to do with this paper. I'm going to reuse this. I'm going to make like a dashboard or something. So I'm going to just go ahead and slide it off. Slide. Can we slide? I'm scared. Oh, there we go. All right. So first of all, she gives you this super cute note, and let's read it. And y'all know anytime somebody spell my name right is a plus, and anytime they have the 2 capital letters, it's a plus. So shout out to you, VJ, for that. Okay, so it just says, Dear Lady CheKesha, thank you so much for ordering the new Notiq cover for your planner. I'm grateful for your trust and your support. I would love to see how you style and use yours. Please tag me when you take photos. I appreciate you. Warmly, VJ Founder. I love this. Love it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side as well. So what I have ordered is the Ella Rose half letter size blush notebook cover, because you guys, you know that I am all about creating my own planner right now. So I have a planner that's already ready to go in here, and that's going to be a separate flip through video, but it's over here to the right. I've been waiting. So before we unpackage this, let me just tell you. So when I first was introduced to Notiq, it was by my good girlfriend, Michelle. You all know her as Elaine Michelle. And she was like, yeah, Notiq. And, I was kind of on the fence because I had just bought a planner. And, you got to conserve your coins and stuff like that. So I was like, well, I'm going to wait a while because I just got this planner. And plus, y'all know how us planner babies do. We get like 10 planners at the beginning of the year. Then you end up down to 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then you end up back to 10. So I was trying to avoid doing that. So I spent the first part of the year just trying to figure out what I was going to use all my planners for. I had specific needs, and as life progressed, and then when coronavirus came and shut us down, I kind of figured out like, okay, I don't really need all those planners. So with that being said, I was like, but I need something specifically for my inspirational planning. And what I mean by inspirational planning is I like to be able to have a place to write my scriptures, my verses of the day, my gratitude, and still to be able to decorate it as well. So with that being said, I started kind of just figuring out, do I want to do, a standard size, an A5 size, that I want to do an A6 size. Like I had all these little things. So I decided to do a half letter because I do currently have a half letter size that I use for my budget, and I really like it. It's not too big and it's not too small. And with the scripture writing reading plans that myself and Lisa Mack that we do every month, I still will have enough space to write all my scriptures and as well as be decorative. So with all that being said, start seeing my crew rocking the Notiq, and I'm like, like, should I get it? So I gave in and I got it. So anyway, so I've been stalking my UPS tracker, and I was supposed to get it yesterday, and probably to my era, I forgot a number on my address, probably just in my excitement of trying to get this planner. And I was like, yeah, I get my planner tomorrow. I was telling all my friends, I was like, at least I get my planner Diamond, I get my planner tomorrow. I was hype. I even posted it in my stories. So anyway, with all that being said, when I went to go check to see, because it was like getting close to the end of the day, it was like, address error. We will let you know when we find the right address. Oh, I was fit to be tired. You heard me? I was fit to be tired. So anyway, long story short, because I know y'all tired of seeing my hands and hearing my voice. Y'all want to see what's in here. I got the next notification stating that they fixed the address and I would get it on Friday. So, I was like, and thank God I got off early today. Oh, well, I'm filming it on Friday. So when you see this, it may not actually be Friday. So I'm talking in present tense. But anyway, that's how excited I am. So when I was looking at my book, because with the whole COVID-19, I'm not fully back at 100% operation at the salon. So I got off early on a Friday, and I was hyped because I was like, oh, my Notiq gonna be there waiting for me. But it still won't waiting. So in the meantime, I was working on my Etsy orders, my new releases, and adding some extra things to the half letter planner that I put together. And then I got an email saying your package has been delivered. Bam! So here we go. So let's go ahead and open this. So first of all, this is amazing, and I'll probably keep this stored in here when it travels with me. And she has this nice little gold sticky on here. We're going to take this off like so and sit this to the side. And as you see, it says Notiq at the top. And here oh. Okay, I just, wait a minute. This baby, the photos gives it no justice. Oh my gosh, it gives it no justice. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so adorable. Stuff is falling out. Okay, get it together. Act classy. So, as you can see, this is the blush pink, and it has the gold Q. And quick story that I did not have any gold discs. And I knew if I ordered from AliExpress, it wasn't going to be here in time. And I'm that type of person that I want everything ready before I put it in my planner. So I went to one of my fellow planner babes who sells the discs. She was like, she didn't have them. So I was like, I'm going to get them. So you know what I did? Went to Amazon, got them, paid a little bit too much for them. But, that's what you do when you want all the things. So I got my gold disc because I knew I wanted to match that. I didn't want silver disc in there. So anyway, so with that being said, when I was looking at the plan, I was like, what am I going to call this? Especially since it's my inspirational planner. And I was like, a Q. And I was like, God has restored me and changed my life for such a time as this. And I was like, Queen Esther. So this is going to be Queen Esther, you guys. So yes, so I have Missy, who's my personal planner. And I have Penny, who is my budget planner. And then I got Queen Esther. Yes, if y'all don't know about Queen Esther, go to the Old Testament, the book of Esther, and read it, because she was the savior for her people during that time. God allowed her to become queen to help her people. So anyway, with that being said, Queen Esther is going to be here for such a time as this to help me with my faith-based journey. So let's go ahead and open it, because I'm still running about too much. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It feels so amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, it's all gold hardware. And okay, calm down, Keisha. Okay, so first of all, I love a planner that has nice pockets like this, and I can put a lot of nice things in here. So you have 1, 2, 3 slots, and then you have this back. Oh, and she gave me this. Oh my gosh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, and it's 2. I'm hyped. I'm hyped because sometimes when you order like these type of planners, they don't give you the backings or the front parts, so you can like slide inside to keep your planner from sliding around. So I'm hype about this. So I got 2 of these. I'm going to set those to the side. And then you have another pocket here. And then you have these slots. And you can use these slots for whatever you want to. And they're nice size slots as well. And then, like I said, you slide your planner in here, and you'll see how I'll slide it in there when I do my flip through video of Queen Esther. So, oh my gosh, you guys, God, look at this. Oh, look how nice that's gonna be right here. Oh my gosh. But y'all know I love my Villa Beautiful too. Look, I had it out because I was like, ooh, my Villa Beautiful and this, y'all gonna be best friends. Y'all gonna be the bestest of friends. VB and Notiq. Woo woo woo. Okay, stop acting childish, Keisha. So anyway, so she gives you this nice gel pen. Here it is. It has a little tip on there. And let's just do a little quick writing test since I have it out. Excuse me, Queen. I'm going to slide you out the way. We don't want to put no pressure on you. So I'm just going to just write right here. Oh, and her receipt paper or packing slip is amazing. Top quality. I'm just saying. Oh, this is great for signatures. Boom. You can stay right there. All right, so let's go ahead and bring Queen Esther back. And then you get your card. It tells you that your accessories are handmade and constructed with luxe materials of fine qualities. It tells you to extend the life of your lovely accessories, how to clean it. And it also tells you that it's vegan leather. And I like that because a lot of times we spend this money on planners and they don't give you instructions on how to maintain it. And I know it should be common sense, but when you think about if you don't really know the true material of something and you go to wipe it down and you stain it, it's like a whole hot mess express. So thank you so much, VJ, for adding this, adding this as a part of the whole process. So then you get this nice little card and it tells you what the Q is. And I'm not going to read it because I'm sure if you've seen one Notiq unboxing, you've seen it all. But I want to get into this paper clip because this paper clip is everything to me. Look how nice this is. And again, the gold to match everything. So I really, really like that. This will be like a nice little accessory to put on there. And if you hear any background noise, that's my bonus sign here. So basically it just tells you Notiq is a minimal in the new sophistication. Simplicity is the new art and elegance is the new modern. Notiq.com. So yeah, so again, like I said, I'm not going to read all of this. I'm going to say this for reading for myself. But this is Queen Esther, you guys. I am so excited about this planner. I'm so excited about this planner. I love the fact that the pin loop is made in with the whole strap part, because a lot of times you'll get the pin loop and it drives me crazy where the pin loop is here. So then it kind of flaps over your, like your dividers. And yeah, so definitely. And I'm not just saying this, because she's a female entrepreneur like myself. I am legit saying this is like I mean, it just feels, I can't, it's like so soft to the touch. It's like, it makes me want to do like this all day. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so back to the pen loop. See how I digress? This is why I don't do unboxings like this, because I like to prepare myself a little bit, because I be a little extra. Yeah. So anyway, okay. So I like this pen loop because it's here. So it's in the strap or in the clasp of this instead of here. And it also allows you to protect your dividers, because a lot of the planners that have the pen loop over here, sometimes depending on if it's dividers that you've made yourself or a thinner divider, that pen loop can damage it and cause it to pin. So I actually like that. And just to show you the back, just in case you want to see it, the stitching is amazing and all is well in planner land. So right now I currently have 3 planners in my life. I have my budget planner, which is Penny. I have my personal, which is my EDC, my personal assistant, that's Missy. And now I have my inspirational planner, which is Queen Esther. And like I said, I will be doing a flip through video. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed being a Fruit Loop right now over this planner. But if you have enjoyed it, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you have any questions. And as well, I will leave a link to her shop in my description box. And like I said, shipping was fast. Like, even though she has the COVID disclaimer up there, I got it real fast. I want to say I ordered it like last week or week before last. All I know is it came real fast, and I'm excited about that. So again, make sure you look out for the flip through of my planner setup in Queen Esther, because I am so excited to use this. But yeah, I'm done rambling. All right, until next time, loves. Peace.